Today we are going to be drawing a circle of given radius to touch two given arcs as shown. Now the first thing is to draw the given arcs, and then the next is with the center of a given arc of radius r, and you add the radius of the required circle to it, so you draw an arc. So what that means is that if our required circle has a radius of 1 centimeter, we open our compass to the radius of one of the given circles, and then we extend it. You adjust the ruler till it has an even, or rather a whole number of segments. Then you extend it 1 centimeter. So you extend it by the radius of the required circle. So I've extended it by 1 because the radius of the required circle is 1. Then you cut. Then you do the same thing for this next. So because of the fact that they have equal radius, I can just cut. Now the next part is open your compass to the radius of the required circle. Then you draw. So you can see this is a circle. We are drawing a circle, and this circle is touching the two arcs. So this is how it is drawn. Thanks for watching.